so today let's go over some different jelly plate printing techniques. So the first thing we can do is use washable marker. So the first thing I want to mention before we go into the techniques is the newer that your jelly plate is, the more it will bead up on you with marker. So this is an older jelly plate, one that has been used a lot, and when I draw on that with marker, it no longer beads up on me. So just keep that in mind. If your jelly plate is beading, and that means that the ink is kind of collecting in little bubbles, that's okay. It doesn't mean anything's wrong. It just means that you need to print, make lots of prints, and break your plate in. So the first thing I can do is marker. So I can print with washable marker. Okay. If I were to print on something, on a plate that was broken in a little bit more, okay, it would change the look of it quite a bit, so keep that in mind. So I can use washable marker. So I can also print in layers. Okay, so I have one print, and then I can go back in and add something on top. So I can print in layers. I can also print with acrylics. I can also use a stamp. We can also use stencils, so I can add a layer of paint. I can lay a stencil down. I can then lift my stencil and print again with what's remaining. So the next thing I can do is collect leaves and things from nature. So you do want to make sure that they are relatively flat in order for this to work. But I'll add a layer of paint again. Lay my leaf down. Okay, it's going to leave that, but then if I lift this up, print again.